so I have my moon pulled up on my iPad. You can see it's like the same size. This is just the image at 100%. Basically, I just erased the pattern, so you could do this with the pattern. And then I'm going to trace the moon. Okay, this is a little sketch because I'm on camera. But we'll make do, huh? So another way would be just to print it, but I can't. I just don't want to waste the ink, I guess. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Cool. So now I'm just going to cut out this moon in the paper real quick. Honestly, I'd rather go bigger than smaller with the moon, so I'm gonna cut it on the outside of the line. Okay, now I've got my piece of felt. If you got this as a kit, you are not gonna have to cut the moon like this. Again, I'm going a little bit bigger. Going a little risky, I guess. I'm just really focusing on not having any like blunt corners. I want it to be very rounded. And yes, I am using KitchenAid scissors. Oh, I don't know why actually. I think because I was doing the paper. Okay, so here's the little felt moon. Sometimes this piece goes straight like that. All you have to do is just bend it a little bit. And we're going to place it onto the hoop where the moon is. can already see it's gonna look good. So now I'm just going to stitch it onto the hoop and then I'll show you how to cover it. So I just split the 6-strand string, so there's 3 strands, and I'll thread it with my needle. And I double knot the end right here so it doesn't go straight through the felt. So I'm gonna bring it up and then back down. And this is basically going to be a variation of the satin stitch. But I kind of see how I start right here. I'm gonna spread out the stitches. I start right here, and then I'm gonna go in a little bit. So the lines are not gonna be perfectly parallel, but I'm basically setting the direction that I want the stitches to go. It's okay if it's not exact. Obviously, I didn't draw any lines. Okay. And I'm gonna stop right there with this one. I'm gonna skip on up here. Again, making sure it's in the right place. If you don't want to do felt, I would basically stitch it the same way, except with the outline I would do split stitch, and then I would do these guidelines on the outside of the split stitch outline. Okay, so you can see some of them are more parallel than others, but now that the guidelines are all set, I'm just gonna fill in the middle basically. So I kind of like to go like this, keep doing the guidelines like in between where we put them before, and my thread is done. So I'll secure that, and then I'll start going again. Obviously you could start going from the middle in. This is just the way I decided to do it this time. And we're basically just gonna repeat and cover the entire moon. But I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and then I'll slow it down when I get to the corners of the moon, because those are a little bit trickier. So I leave them till last. So now that all we have is the corners left, I'm gonna pull it up in the middle of the felt corner right there. And I'm gonna bring it down where I want the corner to end, basically. I want it to curl in a little bit right there. Bloop. And then we will finish up by continuing the stitches. The same way we've been doing the rest of it. And if you want, you could even have made that last stitch a little bit longer, but it's really up to you. Like, see, I might do that. That's what I like. Okay. There. Yeah. Okay, pretty happy with that. The only thing I see, well, I'm gonna make it a little bigger right there, I guess, because it looks like I stitched that one a little too far. I'm looking at it this direction too. And once it's all stitched, with the colors in the background, you can go back and stitch some more too. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably cover up any stitches that I feel like are out of place. Like right here, it's a little bit out of place. So when I stitch the colors, I can kind of cover that up. To see how I stitch the sky and the stars, go to my next video in the playlist. Thanks for watching.